take your maga. He said drink charity and never guava. I let the door, slingshot, roll the moon, list down.
Deliver a corner, kick this a little pretty filly hotter than one my chiller. Give me your friend, but she no want tweet. She want Lyriii fi stop.
Mr. Big Man, why you do it? God knows, man and cook it police.
I make them move me and squeeze if them a squeeze too. Alright, one line.
Me a wait for your next man chat. The last boy talk is a good man job. Fool fall off and can't come back. Pussy hide back a mass and
Big girl, you know me dance. Man, I go play in a game. I'm done. I plan to change the game. So baby, show me some. Woman, I grow me so good. I bet you don't know about that. The man me have to take care of family. Been a grind real hard for me. The money can't change me. Nah, fame long time we a body nine like a small lane. Nothing them some nah gain. I see how we live in night chop. Live in night chop, you know. The show ID, member we got cash. Fully guns.
Oh, you fit about me, sure you don't got cheese in jeans. All with ease, it don't feel good full up, I be a blue leaf and it don't.
Introducing the king of dancing, the man for dancing, the one and only Early.
Take the man from a dancing as we. Some pop don't crucify retire. Baby, before the sisters so sweet. Fan them off, cause them a fly. Don't stop. Burn out by 9, the music is every time. Sample them, bring them off because them bad mind. Don't stop. Whoa, whoa, yo, yo. Wave them off, shizzle.
And then some of you say me go road. You remember the song we sing? You want me, man? You not sing it? Man, me get me food. Get me road, get me top of me. Whether you go, get me pizza. Before we go, jump on the road. And stop and give you one on the road. I'm going to say they don't want the road. I am in food. Bad man send me a road. God, but no comes cold when you just get me go. You're not the hand will need to show. No comes cold when you get me go. Level. You want to hear that the new gun them? You want to hear that the new gun them? All right, listen to this. Killer. Me did I want them? Level! Watch me round. Killer. Me did I want them? Them gone like them no hear them. Yeah. Want them, want me to fear them. Go up bounty killer, go up tear them. When me say, hey, me tell no long run short gauge. The boy will be kill me no bad yet. Left boy body the dog in a dark bed. Bright light and bitter on the garden. And I bring them in and one again. I just say before me, I go murder about 10 of them. Friendship, all them to kill you. And them can't kill me. I don't know kill up him bad. Them a top out me sin bad. Murder boy, how can I see when the big talk? Bury them like big land.
General, hey, I will not free no man. I be all that so for me defend it. I me no give a fuck Christmas.
Meditation can. Watch this. Let me tell you something. God here. God. Let me take off my glasses so I can see in my eye. Hey, come on, I don't want to get distracted. God, I do it here. Me I tell you. Watch your style. No for no feel like people are over here. Our people are holding it down. You are holding down yourself. You have every other right components except the Almighty. See? Yes. God. Stop go to man with your plans and your goals and your dreams. You wake up in the morning and you call a next human being. If you give you an idea about your plan, go to God first. Go to God, because when you hang up the phone, enough of them, 90% of them have wish bad for you. But you know God up here on a protection. Some people say, acting a turn Christian, I be a God you talk about. Yes. Because God bless me over the years. And I be ungrateful as a human being because I do every other thing. I have my priority list and God not upon it. See, when it come to him at 2 minutes out of the day, me give, yeah, God, thank you for waking me up this morning. No. God up your thing. See, 90%, but 90% of them right me have the last couple of years and look at me. See? And me and God just said, do that youth and do that youth. Me I tell you, God up your thing. See? Put God in your thing and you see the difference. Remember me I tell you. All of the obstacles them are going to move out of your way. Make sure all of your plans them, make God cover them first. See? You better share.